With Valentine's Day just around the corner, it's time to make heart-inspired earrings. And today I'm going to be using 2 glass hearts, 2 3/4-inch ball pins, 2 4mm jump rings, 4 basket bead caps, 2 8mm beads, 2 lever back ear wires, and 2 1-inch eye pins. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is take the head pin and I'm going to slide it on to the heart-shaped bead, and I'm going to use my wire cutter to clip off about a finger width of length of wire, and then I'm going to take my round nose pliers, turn it up, and then wrap it around. So I've got a nice little loop there. I'm going to set that down for right now, and I'm going to grab my eye pen, and I'm going to slide on the bead cap, the bead cap. I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the head pin. I'm going to fold it over. And this one I don't have to cut. I have just enough there left over to just fold and turn up and make my loop. I'm going to put that down, and I'm going to grab my chain nose pliers and my jump ring, and I'm going to open it up by pushing it side to side, and I'm going to slip on my heart bead, and then I'll take the eye pin and slip that on, close the jump ring, and then the only thing that's left is just to attach my lever back ear wire. So I'm just going to open it up, slide that on, gently close it, and there we have it, a pair of Valentine's Day earrings. To find this design and others, visit us at firemountaingems.com.